Have you ever felt your Google Drive is just cluttered? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete all files on Google Drive and even more importantly, how to permanently remove them so they're gone for good. Keeping your digital space organized isn't just satisfying, it's essential for productivity and freeing up storage. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Drive website. Make sure you're logged into the account that contains the files you want to delete. Once you're on the homepage, look to the left side panel and click on Bin. This is where all deleted files go temporarily before being permanently erased. Now, you might see a long list of files, but don't worry, you don't need to go through them one by one. Click on any file just to activate the selection mode. Then, here's a handy shortcut. Press Ctrl plus A on Windows or Command plus A on Mac. This will select every file in the bin at once, no matter how many there are. With everything selected, look for the trash can icon at the top of the screen. Click it and you'll see a confirmation message. Remember, once you confirm, these files are gone permanently, so make sure you've backed up anything important, and just like that, your Google Drive is clean, tidy, and free of unnecessary clutter. Not only does this free up storage, but it also makes finding your important files much easier. If you found this guide helpful, stay tuned for more quick and practical tech tips. Thanks for watching, and here's to a more organized digital life.